you will see the picture coming out here. See, look at it, look at it, look at it. I'm pretty sure you want to know how I did that thing in the beginning of the video, and don't worry, you'll see it soon. Anyways, get ready with me as I go to collect my Jumia package. Let me go take a shower with this fancy shower gel that I got from this mall. I love this so much. It smells so good. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. This is what I am wearing, so that way we will go and collect our package from Jumia. I don't know why I'm moving this way, but oh well. Okay, we are back in the car from yesterday's vlog. Let me zoom out. So as you can see, the CarPlay thing used to be here from the other vlog, but I removed it because, well, I essentially tried to connect this phone here to the CarPlay thing, but what happened was that instead it connected to this phone I'm using to record, and everything that I was recording, the audio went silent and everything, so it made my footage unusable. So I'm angry. That's why it's gone. I hate to admit this, but I think downgrading is okay. So we're just gonna put this right here. Okay, boom. But anyway, we have two gadgets here, two of these. So this one here essentially like attaches to the dashboard like this, or this, or here. You can attach it to either of them. And then this one kind of essentially the same thing, but it's designed to be attached here. Literally, this one is the hardest to put on. I think I should return it. Can I still return it? Okay, yeah, I can return it. So I think I am going to return this here. Let me just get the box and everything. Okay, guys, so I just initiated return for the thing here. This is it in the box, so it's going to be returned. So this product here is our last hope. So let's try this one out. Okay, so this clip goes like inside here. Okay, it's actually working. It is actually working. I need to push this thing. Okay, it's in. It's in. And then we just need to screw this thing for it to hold itself. I can't use one hand to do this alone. So I think I ran into an issue. The first issue is that, see, this is just loose. I don't know how to make it go any tighter. And then even this one, I think this thing is more manageable. Okay, the phone like this is more manageable, but then I want this place to be tight. Like, that's what I am aiming for. I think I've given up on making this thing tighter. I think I'll just accept this one as it is. I was thinking of returning it, but I mean, this one still serves its purpose, so I don't think I would return this. I think I'll still keep it either way. Okay, so this is basically the POV of the this stand, whatever, like from it being held here. Like, this is the best way I could put it, and yeah. I think it's not actually bad. So let's go right now to the Jumia office and get the stuff and return the other one. But oh god, I'm so hot. Look at all the sweat on my body. We need to turn on this car for the AC. Brake, power. Oh my god, this AC is good. This AC is sweeter than life. Hey, oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, we're good. We are good. Okay, very, very good. This is okay. And then we'll move. See, this thing is shaky and it's very, very annoying. This thing can work for Google Maps, but oh well. See how bumpy it is? It's so bumpy, like, to be very honest with you.
know we leave a meal on a damn signs of change. Look at me in this room, I think I'm going to range. Going insane even when it's fall. It's in the DMs, the bitches trying to get on. But ain't nothing out there for me now, girl, I got nothing to offer. I got about $1.90 to my name, and I'm on my way to something that I think is great for me. Just fuck this room in this faded gloom. I feel like
this
I'm
song,
the rawness. Feel like I'm the outlaw that you niggas all missed. How can I live the dream if I'm sleeping dead? How can I wake up and see the best?
Okay, so we have finally arrived at our destination at the Jumia office. The Jumia office is in this brown building here. That's where it's at. So let me just, I'm parked here. I'm already parked, so let me just come out and get myself and return the other one. Okay, so we just finished with the Jumia office. Let's go home right now. Just kidding, we are at a supermarket. We're gonna go buy some things for ourselves. Okay, so where do they keep those Oreos? Cheese prices are insane. 173,000, 160, 11, 12,000. Like, how do people afford cheese in this country? Like, to be very honest with you. Okay, so we are done with shopping. Let's get out of here. Let's go back home. And let me show you what I got from Jumia. That was very nice. I'm really hot. Okay, so we have just one more place that we're going to. Kitchen pastries, baby. Let's head inside. Okay, so I got these cookies and cream cake, and I'm just waiting for the spring rolls to be fried. So yeah. But I really love the design of the rolling pins like here. I think it's pretty. Anyway, here are my spring rolls, so let's get out of here. We are heading home. I literally want to play more music from this phone, but for some reason this won't charge it at all. Weird. Okay, look at it, people. This is a fancy ring light right here. This is what I got. You want to see it? Come on. Oh, my dog just walked out. Come on, come here. Look at it. Oh my god. Don't you like the ring light? Okay, so I am next to a fan and I wanted to just show you something. So some time ago there was this video that I saw online. So essentially, like, they would make all these picture frames, and if you scan them with your phone, it will show like another picture or video, like some augmented reality type of stuff. And I wanted to show you guys how to recreate it. So yeah, that's why I did a lot of this shopping, so I can actually demonstrate this to you in a better way. So essentially, I tested out like so many different apps that supposedly can create this feature, but out of all of them, only 3 like stood out to me, but 1 stood out the most to the 3. Now the first app that does this is called Glaze AR. So you just need to click on this to create a new album, and then you add your photos or videos. You can import a photo or scan one. So we're gonna scan this one here in this case. Okay, boom. Did it do it? Okay, we just have to adjust all the points here. That's all we just have to do. I'm not perfect at this, but still I am doing something. Then we're good here. We're all done. Then from there we go into the next thing, and then we can put a video here, like we can record one or import one. So I'm going to import this video you're seeing on the screen right now. So after we import this, we click on done. So now if you're to use your phone to scan this thing, you will see the picture coming out here. See, look at it, look at it, look at it. Now the problem I have with the Glaze AR app is the fact that you can only create one album. If you want to create more, you have to pay. But then even with the just one album, the thing is that everybody needs to have that Glaze AR. If you want to share the album of the thing you scanned, you'd have to share the thing with other people, like using airdrop or QR codes or sending them the link, whatever. and they'd have to open that thing like that. It's just really annoying for me. Like, it's not giving me what fully I want, but it's still giving that type of idea as to what I want. So our next candidate here is Halo AR. We click on create, then we select the trigger as an image. We will scan the photo frame again, boom. Then we click on crop here. Then we can either use like a 2D image or video or a 3D one. I don't want to use 3D. We're going to stick with 2D, and we're going to use the picture, or should I say the video that we used earlier for the first app. Now you can adjust things like the movement and the size and all that stuff, but I'm just going to leave it as it is just to show you an example. Now that I've added the picture, I can change the size, I can move it and do whatever I want, but I'm just going to leave it as it just as an example. We click on here, we can give it a name, we can put it under a collection. So I made a public collection called test for just testing out, and then I can do anything I want, so I'll just save it now. Okay, so now when we scan the picture here, we can see the thing here. Like, look at it, the image in its glory. Now, I like this app, Halo AR, better than the first app. But the issue I have with this app is the same thing I have with the first app. You would need to share that collection so that way people could actually scan it, which isn't really what I'm fully looking for. But I mean, it still gets the job done in the sense of scanning. Now, our final candidate is this app called Artivive. So you need to use the site first to create an AR thing. So you click on sign up now, and you can sign up with all these options here. So we just come here, we click on plus, and then we wait for this to load up. Then we just do this. We will take a picture of the trigger image. So we just come here and we'll take a picture of this. So we have different options. So we can put some elements, images, videos, and some things are paid. Even to put audio is paid, but oh well, we'll put a video and we'll just add that same video again. So I just have to click on publish here, and I can just save it as whatever I want. I don't know. Let me make a flower, save. Okay, so once the thing is published, you just need to get your camera, scan it, and then from there you will be able to see the artwork that you uploaded on it. Just give it some time to load up. It's coming. You see? Isn't this cool? Very cool. Okay, it's just because of the way I stood, but still, this is very, very cool. Now, out of all three of those apps, I think Artivive is the best one, because now the person that has to scan the stuff does not need to be a member. They don't need to sign up to the Artivive, just only you that's scanning. You just need to download the app only, and they can scan whatever they want without being a member of the app to begin with. Plus, you can literally just scan anything that somebody just creates, and it's just way more flexible in my opinion. I want to still give an honorable mention to like this app here called Qbile. Now, it doesn't have the same AR functionality as the other apps, but let me just show you how it works. Okay, so now you can just have a QR code, and then you scan the code, then you click the stuff. Then once you allow it to load up, what happens is that it shows you like a video or picture of anything. Like, I had just made a video of this product here. So yeah, that's how this one works. The best part about Artivive is that it does not just extend to just on picture frames. Like, look at this now. It can extend to anything at all, like any object. Like, as you can see, I just put this game here and it's showing a video of this. Like, this is really cool. Now, this Artivive AR thing has so many use cases. Like, for example, let's say now that you're a store owner and you're selling something like, I don't know, like a phone, or like maybe now you're selling some groceries or whatever, and somebody can actually get their phone, scan the thing, and then it will be showing a video or picture of something that is being sold. Like, it's actually really cool. Even if you're a restaurant owner, you can actually do this to show off how your food looks like, so that people can have an idea of something that is not on the menu. They don't know what this particular item is. You can just tell them to use their phone, scan it, and then they'll understand it. Like, if you get what I mean. Like, you can really be extra creative with these apps and all that stuff, and I really like this so much. Like, the technology behind this is very, very wild, and people can actually make their own stuff, like the frames and everything that I showed earlier. So yeah, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you had a nice time. Like, I had fun filming this one. Okay, bye.